humanoid robots sound like something out of a sci-fi movie. What is Meta's vision for this venture here, and how much are they spending to do it?
Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is now making waves in the AI and robotics industry.
Other companies like Apple and Google DeepMind are making investments here. But Meta wants to be the Android or Qualcomm of the humanoid industry, empower the underpinnings, the software, the hardware, the artificial intelligence, the sensor stack, the compute for the whole industry. So they're talking to several partners, including Unitree. They're talking to a company called Figure AI.
In a move that has caught the tech world by surprise, Meta has announced its ambitious plans to develop AI-powered humanoid robots. But before you start imagining a fleet of Zuckerberg-branded robots walking around, there's a catch. Meta is not building its own robots. Instead, it's focusing on the AI, sensors, and software that will power humanoid machines built by other companies. This is a significant shift for the company, which has long been associated with social media and virtual reality. But with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, it was only a matter of time before Meta expanded its reach. And now, with its Reality Labs division taking the lead, the company is diving headfirst into the world of humanoid robotics. Unlike Tesla, which is actively developing its Optimus humanoid robot, or Amazon, which has introduced its Astro Home assistant, Meta is taking a different route. Rather than manufacturing a physical robot, Meta's goal is to provide the intelligence that will power these machines. The company is leveraging its advanced AI models, specifically its LLAMA models, to give humanoid robots the ability to understand, learn, and interact with the world around them. This strategic move means Meta won't have to deal with the complexities of robotics hardware production. Instead, it can focus on making AI-powered robots smarter, more intuitive, and capable of performing everyday household tasks. Whether it's folding laundry, loading dishwashers, or assisting with home maintenance, Meta envisions a future where humanoid robots can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. To spearhead this initiative, Meta has appointed Mark Whitten as the head of its robotics division. If that name sounds familiar, it's because Whitten has an impressive track record. He was the CEO of Cruise, the now-defunct autonomous vehicle division of General Motors, and also played a key role in Microsoft's Xbox and cloud services. His experience in AI, automation, and consumer technology makes him the perfect choice to lead Meta's robotics push. Under Whitten's leadership, Meta has already begun discussions with robotics firms like Figure AI and Unitree Robotics. These partnerships will allow Meta to test and integrate its AI systems into existing humanoid robots, accelerating development without having to start from scratch. While details are still emerging, reports suggest that Meta's humanoid robots will be designed primarily for household tasks. This means they won't be replacing factory workers or performing complex industrial work, at least not yet. Instead, Meta is focusing on automating mundane, repetitive tasks to make life easier for consumers. Imagine coming home to find your humanoid assistant has already cleaned your kitchen, folded your clothes, and organized your living room. That's the vision Meta is working towards. But what makes these robots special? The secret lies in Meta's AI-powered software. By integrating its Llama models, Meta is developing robots that can understand natural language, learn from their surroundings, and adapt to new situations. This is a major leap from the rigid, pre-programmed robots of the past. Instead of following a strict set of commands, Meta's AI-powered humanoids will be able to make real-time decisions, just like a human assistant would. Meta's entry into humanoid robotics is part of a larger trend. Several tech giants are exploring AI-powered humanoid robots, each with their own approach. Tesla has already introduced Optimus, a humanoid robot designed for both home and industrial use. Tesla's goal is to develop fully autonomous robots capable of making real-world decisions, reducing the need for human labor in both factories and homes. Apple, on the other hand, has reportedly been developing both humanoid and non-humanoid robots for smart home integration, leveraging its existing AI ecosystem. Meanwhile, Google has been quietly investing in robotics research, using AI-driven automation to advance real-world machine learning applications. What sets Meta apart is its software-first strategy. Unlike Tesla and Apple, which are developing both hardware and software, Meta is solely focusing on AI. This means it can collaborate with multiple robotics manufacturers without being tied to a single hardware design. In essence, Meta is positioning itself as the brain behind the next generation of humanoid robots. By providing the intelligence and decision-making capabilities, Meta is allowing hardware companies to focus on perfecting the mechanics of humanoid robots. Of course, Meta's AI-powered humanoid robots won't become mainstream overnight. There are several challenges that the company will have to overcome. One of the biggest hurdles is cost. High-end AI-powered robots are expensive to develop, and while Meta's software solutions may lower some costs, it remains to be seen whether these robots will be affordable for the average consumer. If humanoid robots remain too expensive, they could be limited to high-end markets rather than becoming a household staple. Another challenge is the AI capabilities themselves. While AI has made incredible advancements, creating robots that can understand human emotions, intentions, and adapt to changing environments is still a massive technical challenge. Teaching a robot to fold laundry or load a dishwasher is one thing, but teaching it to recognize when a child needs help with homework or a pet needs feeding requires an entirely new level of intelligence. Consumer demand is another uncertainty. While some people are eager to integrate AI-driven robots into their lives, others may be hesitant. Privacy concerns, especially given Meta's history with data collection, could pose a significant barrier. Consumers may worry about the data being collected by humanoid robots in their homes and how that data is being used. Regulatory hurdles also present a challenge. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate AI and robotics, and new laws could impact Meta's ability to roll out its humanoid AI assistants. Meta will need to navigate complex legal landscapes, addressing concerns related to AI safety, privacy, and data security. Meta's robotics push is just one part of its broader AI strategy. The company has already invested over $65 billion in artificial intelligence, with a focus on AI-driven consumer products. One of its most successful AI-powered innovations so far has been its smart glasses, which feature AI-powered virtual assistants and have already surpassed 1 million units in sales. The integration of AI into everyday products is a clear sign that Meta sees AI as the future. Beyond robotics, Meta is investing heavily in automation. From AI-driven content moderation to customer service automation, Meta is exploring how artificial intelligence can streamline business operations across multiple industries. Its Reality Labs division continues to push forward with augmented and virtual reality technologies, which could eventually integrate with humanoid robotics, bringing the physical and digital worlds even closer together. Meta has yet to announce a release date for its AI-powered humanoid robots, leaving many questions unanswered. When will these robots be available to consumers? How will they integrate with existing Meta products, such as smart glasses or AI assistants? What will the pricing model look like? Will these robots be affordable for the average household, or will they be luxury items reserved for high-end markets? Despite these uncertainties, one thing is clear. Meta is serious about AI-powered humanoid robots. Whether this initiative leads to a groundbreaking innovation or remains an experimental venture, it marks a major shift in the company's strategy. With Apple, Tesla, Google, and now Meta all investing heavily in AI-driven robotics, the race to bring humanoid robots into everyday life is officially on. And while we may not be living in a world of fully autonomous robot assistants just yet, Meta's latest move suggests that future isn't as far off as we once thought. So let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and stay tuned for latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.